Jai Srimanarayana. 14th sloka of 15th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Aham Vaisvanaro Bhutva Praninam Deham Ashritaha Pranapana Samayuktaha Pachami Annam Chaturvidham Om. Before you eat, drink, swallow, chew, lick, remember that you are sending that to Sri Krishna Paramatma, who is there in your own stomach in the form of fire of digestion. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall definitely remember you before I eat, I drink, I swallow. I shall definitely think that I am sending all those things to you because you are there in my own stomach in the form of fire of digestion. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Om haraye namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 302nd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshit Narendra, Kaliya's wives praying Sri Krishna Paramatma like this, O Krishna, to preserve dharmam, you are the one who will be coming down to this earth in different forms. O Prabhu, aparadhaha sakrit bhartra sodhavyaha svaprajakrutaha kshentumarhasi santatman mudhasya tvam ajanataha." King forgives those who does any mistake, and father forgives the child who has done mistake. O Krishna, for the first time, mistakes should be forgiven by the king and father. O Krishna, O Dayasagara, this Kaliya does not know who you are. Without knowing that, he definitely has done mistake. He has done wrong thing. That is why please forgive him. నేరములెన్న నెక్కడివి సుతుల నేరమి తండ్రులు ద్రోచి పుచ్చురే. If the children does mistake, father forgives. And నేరము కల్గు మద్విభుని నేడిట కావగదే కృపానిధి. O Krishna, you are a manifestation of, personification of compassion. Please forgive our husband Kaliya for the mistake that he has done. Anugruhnishva bhagavan pranan tyajati pannagaha. This Kaliya is now losing his life. Please forgive him and save him. Patih pranaha pradiyatam. For the wives, husband is pranam. So Krishna, by saving this Kaliya, please save our life. Like that, Kaliya's wives praying Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashitravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 15th chapter, 14th sloka. Aham Vaisvanaro Bhutva Praninam Dehamashritaha Pranapana Samayuktaha Pachamyannam Chaturvidham. Aham Vaisvanaro Bhutva Praninam Dehamashritaha Pranapana Samayuktaha Pachamyannam Chaturvidham. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.